Welcome back to my channel. If you are following my channel, you get to see Cars 24 stock in Kolkata. Today I'm going to show you only automatic cars available in Astor Tower, Newtown. So how you get to know how many cars available? Very simple. Use filter, go to app and check the filter. Transmission, you put automatic, you get to see only 25 cars available. So I'll go sort by low to high. So fast car for you 2016, 30,000 driven, Wagoner VXI AMT. If you have low budget and if you want low maintenance car, this is the car you are looking for. Anybody can fit in like my size, even tall boy like our security Mantu. So thank you so much holding the camera. And price breakup. Yes, this is the price breakup. 2,95,000 is the price breakup if you go for cash and same RTO. This is fast owner car and driven only 30,000. So I'm going to show you one by one. So another stock which is automatic 2020 model. So we are going to give you 2030 tax, up to 2030 tax and 23,000 driven only. RXT variant, all for power windows, ABS if your safety concern, dual airbag is there. And very less driven, 23,000 driven only, and single owner. Price breakup would be 4,15,000. If you have a budget of 4,15,000, you try this out because this is like small family car. If you have small family car and you like to drive in city, so I think this automatic car for you. So for you, another automatic and Desire compact sedan, very well maintained, 30,000 driven, but you will be third owner. This is second owner, 30,000 driven, and VXI variant. VXI variant means all you are getting dual airbag for safety, steering mounted audio control, then 2D music system, well maintained car, only 30,000 driven. The price breakup will be 4,60,000. If you have budget of 4,60,000, you can have this lovely Desire. And another Desire for you, 2017. If you don't like this color, we have another blue color. I'm going to show you. This is very less driven in Maruti segment, automatic, only 19,000 kilometer driven and single owner. And this is top of the line, ZXI. ZXI automatic means what you are getting alloy, extra like company fitted alloy. Then music system is there, dual airbag for safety. And very less driven, single owner. If you have a budget of 4,70,000, this is the car you can go for. So as of now, Jojo dikhaya maine, and another Granite and Neos. Wait for Granite and Neos. So lovely Neos for you. And this is 2020 model and sports variant. In sports variant, all you are getting company fitted alloy, then touchscreen, rear parking sensor, camera. If you're really looking for Neos, this is only available as of now, or Neos stock is coming and going out very soon. And this is 36,000 driven only, first owner, single owner. And if you have a budget of 5 lakh, this is the car you're looking for because you are getting 2030 tax. We'll give you 2030 tax and under 5 lakh, beautiful Neos for you. Like fog light is there, company fitted alloy is there, infotainment system is there, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, like all company fitted. You need not to add any accessories. So wait for another car. I'm going to show you this. That is 7-seater. This is 7-seater automatic 2022 model, only 24,000 driven and fast owner. RXT variant. If you have budget of 5,40,000, you can go for this. What you are getting, all four power windows you are getting for rear passenger, you are getting AC vent, even third row you are getting AC vent. So comfort is there and safety, dual airbag. So this is the price. Another Swift 2021 model and ZXI Plus dual tone automatic. I think you can search this car details. I have made 2 or 3 videos, I think. And the price will be 5.5. If you have budget of 5.5, this is the car you should check out. 73,000 driven and single owner. 2021 model, top of the line, dual tone. इसका price है 5.5. If you have 5.5 budget, you can go for this. And I'm going to show you another beautiful EcoSport for you, white color. Just wait. So white EcoSport, top of the line. Top of the line means titanium plus. Titanium plus 1.5 petrol. But this is second owner, 55,000 driven. You will be third owner. If you have budget of 5.6, including name transfer, ownership transfer, then car servicing, insurance, all included, 5.6 for you. So don't miss this out. You can bring it to your home before this puja. So call me, my number is there, and I can help you out. So automatic cars today. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you some unique collection as well. So Duster, diesel and automatic, a deadly combination, 110 PS. Automatic 110 PS, 2019 model, 57,000 driven, single owner. Even इसका टायर लाइफ भी मैं दिखा देता हूँ आपको, so that you get more confidence. 100%, 3 tires brand new, 2 tires 50%. Few only scratches are there. Whatever car I have mentioned, some cars repainted, some cars has a few scratches dented. So it's all mentioned in app. Please go through app. And the price breakup you see, this is under 6 lakh. If you have budget of 6 lakh, you call me. 2019 automatic diesel, single owner, 50,000 driven. I think if you love to go hills and all, so you can try this out. Duster is really good. So this is another unique collection, and in blue color, this is repainted car. You are getting Skyrack, so you don't need to, like if you have more baggage, still you can manage. And I think I'm going to show you same thing, like 110 PS. If you don't like gray, there is blue for you. If you like blue color, this is also 2019 model, and price breakup is little higher, 6 lakh 40. If you have budget of 6 lakh 40, then you can go for this. 49,000 driven, almost similar. What extra you are getting? You are getting Skyrack, and this is RXZ on variant top. RXZ 110 PS diesel. What else you are getting? I'm telling you. 5-liter boot space. Still, you are getting Skyrack. So, if you have extra luggage, you can carry. And this is diesel, automatic, very user-friendly for wheels. So, call me if you need this beautiful blue Duster. So, latest generation Honda Amaze CVT automatic. Like in automatic transmission, I have shown you AMT, CVT. Then again, we have IVT. I'll show one by one. So this is CVT 1.2 if you're looking for an S variant 2024. Check out the face. Face is lifted Amaze for you, and only 18,000 kilometer driven and single owner. For you, 6 lakh 60 is the price. 2017 Jeep Compass Limited 1.4 petrol automatic. 50,000 driven, single owner. This is repainted car. If you have budget of 7.5, this beautiful Jeep Compass for you. Petrol 1.4. Infotainment system loaded, safety loaded. And tire life, all 5 tire is brand new. So a few imperfection is there. 2017 model, 7 lakh 50. If you have a budget, you can call me. A unique collection. I think I have made so many videos on this. XL6. If you're looking for captain seat and Maruti, then XL6. 6-seater. Only 10,000 kilometer driven, company paint and automatic. It's a deadly combination. And Alpha, top of the line. So infotainment system loaded, safety loaded, comfort is loaded. Then if you have a budget of 8.9, like around 9 lakh, then this is the car, lifetime tax. So call me if you need this. So another compact SUV for you, Brezza 2022 model, ZXi, smart hybrid. Yes, if you are looking for mileage, then go for Maruti. Brezza, ZXi Plus, top of the line. Infotainment system is there. Even company fitted alloy is there. So automatic Brezza is very rare collection and very less driven, 26,000 driven, single owner, and smart hybrid for mileage. What you are getting, the price bracket is 8.4. If you have a budget of 8.4, single RTO, same RTO, if you like to buy in cash, so this is the price bracket. So back to back, another red Jeep Compass. This is limited plus automatic and 73,000 driven, single owner. Price bracket is 10.5. If you have budget of 10.5, this is the car. 2019 model. 2019 model and single owner, automatic, Jeep Compass limited plus. For you, price is 10.5. Unique collection for you only. If you are looking for Renault Kiger and 2021 model, 51,000 driven, single owner, कंपनी पेंट में गाड़ी है, बहुत ही अच्छा कंडीशन में, RXZ AMT ऑटोमेटिक Kiger for you, 50,000 driven, कंपनी पेंट में गाड़ी है, सिंगल ओनर. इफ यू हैव बजट ऑफ 6,15,000, यू कॉल मी. बहुत ही बढ़िया कंडीशन का गाड़ी. सो मूविंग टू टाटा Nexon XZA Plus, top of the line, company fitted alloy, infotainment system, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. Top of the line means you are getting everything. You don't need to fit any aftermarket accessories. So if you have budget of 8.9, like approximate 9 lakh, then you can call me. XZA comes with sunroof. आपको sunroof चाहिए तो ये Nexon आपके लिए, वो भी automatic. 31,000 driven only. और एक बार देख लेते हैं कंपनी पेंट में है कि नहीं. बाकी डिटेल्स, यस, ओनली वन पैनल रिपेंट. बाकी आपका पांचों टायर बहुत ही बढ़िया है, लाइक ऑलमोस्ट न्यू. सो ब्रांड न्यू टायर मिल जा रहा है आपको, इंफोटेनमेंट सिस्टम लोडेड मिल जा रहा. तो इफ़ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर कॉम्पैक्ट एसयूवी, एज आई प्रॉमिस यू, जितना सारा स्टॉक है, लाइक हैचबैक, सीडान, कॉम्पैक्ट सीडान, देन एसयूवी, कॉम्पैक्ट एसयूवी, इवन जीप, दो जीप में दिखाया जो रेड कलर में था. सो स्टे कनेक्टेड, आई हैव सम यूनिक कलेक्शन फॉर यू. Napoli Black, I think I made so many videos for this particular SUV. This is 4x4 soft top convertible and 2021 model. Only 38,000 driven. Second owner, you'll be third owner. Automatic Thar 4x4, and this is petrol, 150 bhp का गाड़ी है. मतलब the moment you lift your leg from brake, बहुत भागता है. तो टॉर्क भी बहुत अच्छा है. 38,000 ड्रिवन. इफ़ यू हैव बजट ऑफ 9.5, कॉल मी इमीडिएटली, क्योंकि ये गाड़ी बुक था, somehow वो टोकन कैंसिल होके फिर से आ गया. सो इफ़ यू रियली लुकिंग फॉर थार एंड ब्लैक थार एंड ऑटोमेटिक पेट्रोल, प्लीज कॉल मी. सो अनदर SUV segment car, MG Estor, and you are getting robot as well. There is a robot inside. You can give a command and you will do things for you. Comfort is loaded, safety is loaded, and automatic and panoramic sunroof. I think this is the single car, automatic, coming with panoramic sunroof. A very less driven company paint car, under 20,000 kilometer driven, single owner, 2022 model, only 18,000 kilometer driven. If you have budget of 11 lakh, call me immediately, because this car could be booked any moment. So beautiful Tycoon and 2025 model, latest generation, only few months old. So even 2,000 kilometer driven, not even 2,000 kilometer driven, first owner, automatic, Highline, 1 liter TSI automatic. If you have budget of 12.5, call me immediately. White color and top of the line, infotainment system loaded, safety loaded. So if you wait long, this car could be good. So call me immediately if you have budget of 12.5 lakh and 2025 model. Only this car, this year only this manufacturing, and only few months old. Jimny, aja. Yes, this is Jimny 23 model, and Alpha All Grip Pro. Hey bro, this is Alpha All Grip Pro and automatic, only 11,000 kilometers driven, single owner. Let me check. So this is original paint car. If you're buying for new one, try for this one because very less driven and single owner, automatic, all grip pro. I think I'm going to make separate video for this. And if you have budget of 14 lakh 30,000, you call me 14.3 as of now. So this is very unique collection for you. Skoda Octavia L and K, like signature. L and K means top of the line, luxury, loaded, safety loaded, 1.8, automatic petrol. Very unique collection. If you're really looking for Octavia and automatic petrol, call me immediately. And this price is 14.5. If you have budget of 14.5, this is the car you should take test drive. I mean to say this is signature like Octavia, Lauren and Clevin, that is the founder of this Skoda. So call me immediately because this car could be booked any moment. Like 25 to 26 lakh is the on-road price, but you are getting 14.5. So all cars available in Astor Tower, Newtown, Action Area 1, near Akanka Mode, Cars 24 Hub. You can call me anytime. I can help you. If you have good profile and you want 100% funding, we can assist you. All cars are accident free, not meter tempered. Then you are getting 100% loan as well. 7 days trial you are getting, 500 kilometers, 7 days. If you feel car is not okay, you can return. So no question asked. So all the automatic cars I have said, these are visible because we believe in transparency. If you need any one of this car, call me immediately. Before Puja, this car will be stock out soon. So thank you so much, and thank you for the cameraman, Montu Pilot. You really helped me.